All right, so we are going to be doing the game page today. Some of you guys have the game page and some of you guys have the puzzle page. So if you don't have the game page, you can refer to the other video to help you with the worksheet. You can still watch this one, but you just don't have this in your work packet. So the game page, we're going to go over these words and we're going to see if they are related to the words in our article about Greta Thunberg. So I'll read all the words first and then we'll go over them one by one. So the words are protest, climate change, tools, important, speech, brave, protect, book corner, recipe box, idea, pollution, earth, weather, dinosaurs, think, and law. Okay, let's go over them slowly this time. The first word is protest. So protest is when a group of people come together and maybe they disagree with something or they do agree with something that's happening and they want to show their support. Is protest something that we related to Greta? Think about it.
Protest.
Yes, protest, because people who are maybe want to change the way we do things to help protect the earth might protest and say, we want change or we don't want this to happen, etc. Climate change. Is this a word related to Greta? Yes, this is one of our vocabulary words.
Climate change.
Yeah. Climate change is when the weather in a certain area changes after a long period of time. Tools. Tools, something that we read about in the article. Let's see.
Tools.
No, we didn't talk about tools. Not in this one. Important. Something that is important is something that we feel that we need or that means a lot to us. Was this one of our words related to Greta Thunberg?
Important.
Yes, this is one of our vocabulary words, the 4 vocabulary words that we're focusing on this week. Our next word is speech. Speech. Speech is when you're talking to a large group of people. Speech. Is that part of it? Let's see.
Speech.
Yes, speech was a large part of the article because Greta would give speeches at protests to talk about climate change. Brave. Brave, is that a word we used? Brave is when you're feeling scared, but you're still going to do it. Like if you're scared to talk in front of people, but you still do it even though you're scared, then you're being very brave.
Brave.
Yeah. So Greta Thunberg was very brave to speak out in speeches for what she believed in. Protect. This word related? Protect. Protect means to keep safe.
Protect.
Yeah. Protect is one of our vocabulary words. We want to keep the earth safe. We want to keep ourselves safe. Book corner. Was book corner a word we used in the article?
Book corner.
No, we didn't talk about book corners. Recipe box. Did we talk about recipe box?
Recipe box.
No, that wasn't it either. We didn't talk about recipe box. What about idea? Idea is like, bing, I suddenly thought of something. Maybe I thought of something really important or I thought of something silly, but I had an idea. That was something. Let's see.
Idea.
Yeah. So Greta Thunberg had lots of ideas about how to protect the earth that she wanted to share with everyone. Our next word is pollution. So pollution is the bad air that some we deal with maybe because of cars or because of other things that contribute, makes our air dirty. Pollution part of Greta Thunberg and Earth article?
Pollution.
Yeah, it is. Because pollution is one reason why we are having climate change, why the weather might be changing so drastically. Maybe pollution is also making us unhealthy, so that we need to be protected from that. But Earth. Earth is the third planet from the sun. It is where we live. We live in this world, Earth. Is that one of our words?
Earth.
It is, because number one, it's one of our vocabulary words, and number two, it's in the title. See? Greta Thunberg and Earth. All right. Our next word is weather. Weather. Did we talk about weather in our article?
Weather.
Yes, we talked about weather. Weather is, when we say, is it sunny outside? Is it rainy? Is it cold? The weather is what we see outside. Our next word is dinosaurs. Did we read about dinosaurs?
Dinosaurs.
No dinosaurs. Dinosaurs lived on Earth a long time ago, but it's not part of this article. Next word is think. Talk about the word think.
Think.
Yes. Think is when we use our brain to think about something. We're thinking, what should I eat today? How do I feel today? Think. Greta thought a lot about these topics. She thought a lot about Earth and climate change and the weather. And she thought a lot of these things so that we could all be protected. Our last word is law. Law is like a rule that we need to follow. Law.
Law.
Yeah, law was a word because Greta wanted to find laws that we could all write to protect Earth. So the words that were related to the game to Greta Thunberg were protest, climate change, important, speech, brave, protect, idea, pollution, Earth, weather, think, and law.